Hello, Bridget Bartley here with visionmarketinganddesign.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can very easily create awesome video ads like this. Now, the reason that it's important if you have an online business to be able to create ads like this is because when you're scrolling through the timeline, video is incredibly powerful and you want to grab people's attention. So if you're scrolling through this timeline, you're going to see this lady, you're going to see her super excited, and it's going to immediately, that action is going to draw your eyes to reading. It's all about the perfect sales funnel. Then that piques your interest and you're like, well, what is all about it? So then I have my link here, okay, for 30 ready to go niche funnels. If you have an online business and you are struggling to get leads, or maybe you want to work online, but you don't even know where to start, you don't have an offer, go to myvisionagency.com, join my mentorship program. You'll have access to free tools and training. Included with that, you'll receive free access to my 5-day digital marketing boot camp to help you fast track your success. I was actually able to quit my full-time job in just 7 months by learning digital marketing, and I want to help you do the same. So what we need to do first is we need to have an offer. So this is the offer that I'm going to be promoting: a free website builder and free email autoresponder. So what I want to do is promote that using this video ad that I'm going to create. Now, the reason it's important to start with your ad is because you want to be congruent. So you want to use the same colors, the same wording, and it really, especially for a beginner, it takes out all of the copywriting that as beginners we all struggle with. So you need to go to canva.com, and Canva is free. They do have a pro account, which I use because it just has more features, but you want to go to the templates already made. The reason that you do that, or that I do that anyway, is because it's super simple to just customize the template rather than trying to design one all on your own. So now that we've got this loaded up here, we just need to choose a template. So it doesn't really matter the colors that we're going to choose. We just want to find one that's fairly simple, that's eye-catching, and so we'll just scroll through here till I find one that I like. Okay, so I think I like this one, even though it may sound funny because this is not about the weather, but I like this layout here, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just click it, and it automatically puts this in the box. Now, because we chose a Facebook video template, this is already the perfect size, okay? So now we just need to change the video and the wording, all right? So we're just gonna go over to the left-hand side and click videos, and then we're gonna find a video. So what I'm gonna start searching for is probably the word marketing, and to see if they have any relevant videos there. And this is basically just a trial and error. It doesn't have to be the perfect video. Like, I don't expect to see a video that says free website, or maybe even a website at all, but we just want to find something that will catch people's attention. So I'm just going to search a few words here until I find a good video. Okay, so I found a video here, and it's of a lady who is looking at the computer and she's getting her credit card out, and you know, that's eye-catching because I would be thinking as a customer, what is she buying? Like, just that movement alone piques my interest. So now we've deleted that old video just by simply clicking it and deleting it, but now we have this video that is not square. So all we need to do is make it a square. Okay, so I'm just going to adjust the sides here. And you can see as I move this around, it gives me the little red lines here for the box. So I use that as my guide. So I want to keep it as even as possible. Okay, so that takes up a little bit too much of the video. So what I can do is stretch this out a little bit. I can elongate that, and you can see it just keeps adjusting for the size. So I can do that. It's about the right size, and then I can just take this corner, shrink it down a little bit. So I'm just going to play with it until I get it a good size, because we want it to be congruent. And actually, as I'm shrinking this video down, I don't think it's a good one to use. So I'm just going to choose another video. So you see, guys, this is just playing with it to see the perfect size. Okay, so I do like, she's got a credit card out there. All right. So now we want to change the words. Now I'm just going to simply put free website. And then I'm going to change this, and I'm just going to say free forever. Because the cool thing about being able to offer this free website is that it's not a trial, it's free forever. And I want to highlight that because I think a lot of times when we see free websites, it's like, oh, it's a trial, it's going to end. But I actually have a free forever website builder. And since that is rare, I want to definitely highlight that. So we have the text here and the video is in front of it. So all I need to do is highlight the thing that I want to move. So right now I've highlighted the video. So I want to click position and then backwards. And that moves the video behind the text, okay? Now you can see that the blue is kind of weird. You can't really see the writing very well here. So I just need to make some adjustments. First of all, I want to change the color. And you can highlight the thing that you want to change the color of, and if it'll allow you to, the color will show up here. Now, one thing that's super cool about Canva is that it allows you to draw in colors. So I have a logo that I created here. Now, I put my logo on everything I create because it's something I worked hard on, so I don't want anyone stealing that from me. But the cool part is that since I've drawn in this logo, Canva automatically picks up the colors from that logo so that I can remain, again, congruent. So I want to change that blue color to the purple color here, but see that takes my name from the logo. So we'll go ahead and change that. We'll just keep playing around with it until we find something good. So I like that pink. Maybe let's try yellow. Let's try the orange. Okay, we could even try black. Black actually looks really good. I'm liking that. Now this free forever needs to be a different color because again, we want to remain congruent. So I'm just going to make that purple, just like my name up here. Now we still have this issue though of the words on top of the video. It doesn't show up very well. So let's go ahead and let's change the colors of this simply by highlighting and going up here and clicking the A. And then let's change this to yellow and see if that shows up better. Actually looks pretty good, but maybe if we change this website to a different color, it would show up even better. So let's see how that looks. Okay, I think I'm liking it. It needs to move up a little bit. Now we kind of get into the design aspect. Maybe we'll move this down just a little bit here behind this little box. So I'm thinking I'm really liking the way that this looks. Okay, so I think it's eye-catching. I have my video lined up here. If you want to actually center it, you can move it around and see that line there. That will make you, that'll let you know that it's completely centered. So we have that centered here. I think the words are showing up great. I'm really happy with this, but let me go ahead and add here free forever, and then we'll just put no credit card required, because again, that's another selling point. Okay, so we'll go ahead but since that made it all weird, now we just want to make this text smaller. Okay, so you can see all I'm doing is just playing around with this, and I'm trying to get a look that I'm comfortable with. Now see, when it does this, it's not going to let you change the size like that. Okay, so let's see if I can, there we go. So just stretch that out there a little bit. And then I'll just move this box over. So again, just playing with it to make it look professional. So I'm really, really excited about this. So now let's see what this looks like. So let's get a live view of it. So as you're scrolling down my timeline, this is what you're going to want to see. Okay, so it's going to look really good. It's eye-catching. You see that free, it pops out really well. All of my colors match. I'm really liking this. So I'm going to go ahead and use this then. So I'm going to download and download. So now it's going to be in an MP4 file. So now what I want to do is I can add this to my scheduler, or I can go and immediately post it to my Facebook page. So I want to go ahead and just show you what I would actually do if I was going to post this, okay? So every video or image that you post, you should have text, because that is crucial for keywords, and also you want to add a clickable link, because people don't like to actually type in the whole web address. When you add that extra step, it just makes your conversion or your lead generation less effective. Okay, so now we have loaded our video, and we want to make sure to write something. Now, if you're new to copywriting, it's best to just copy what they already have here. So I'm just going to literally come to my website, and I'm just going to copy all of these words here. Now I'm going to go back to my Facebook page, and I'm just going to paste. So let's see what this sounds like. Every entrepreneur needs a website. We can help you to get started. Build your free website now. Introducing the new responsive Cheetah website builder. It has never been easier to create an incredibly fast professional pages. Okay, so now what I need to do is just go to my link. Now you'll notice this is my affiliate link, but the cool thing about Builderall is that you can actually connect a domain to all of your affiliate links that they have available. A lot of times Facebook will ban your post for having an affiliate link on there, but since I have a domain connected to my affiliate links, it just looks like a regular website. Now, when I use my scheduler, it actually shortens this, but I won't show you that now, but that's what I usually would do. I would just shorten that link, and with a link shortener you can track it. But for this purpose, again, I'm just going to go ahead and post this. So now I've got my video, I have my affiliate link, and I have some text there. So I'm going to hit post. Now it's going to upload the video, and as we scroll down the screen, you can see my post here. So do you see how awesome that looks and how it's eye-catching? But this gets the point across. I'm giving value, okay? So the people that see this ad and click on the link are going to be the people who need a free website. So I am attracting those people, I'm giving them something for free, and I'm giving that to them in a way that is eye-catching. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and go to myvisionagency.com and sign up for my free mentorship program, where you'll have access to my 5-day digital marketing bootcamp. You are gaining tools and training to help you succeed online. And I'll see you in my next video.